Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to today's class. We have been discussing the new topic, that is areas of similar triangles. So regarding that topic, in the previous class I explained the theorem 6.6 and example related to that topic. So today onwards we are going to solve the questions from the exercise 6.4. Question number 1. Let triangle ABC is similar to DEF. There are two triangles ABC. This is triangle ABC and another triangle DEF. They both are similar and their areas be respectively. That means first triangle is ABC, so its area is 64 centimeter square. Its area is 64 centimeter square and it says 121 centimeter square. So this must be little bit bigger than ABC. So if EF is equal to 15.4 centimeters, E to F 15.4 centimeters, then find BC. How much is this? X. This is the given information. Okay, so before we go to solve this question, let us remember once again. Let us revise the topic statement of the areas related to the similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, then what do we write? If two triangles are similar, then what is the relation between the areas and the sides? Areas of triangle ABC, ratio of area of triangle DF should be equal to squares of ratios of their corresponding sides. AB by EDE square is equal to BC by EF square is equal to CA by FD whole square. So this is the statement. If two triangles are similar, this is the statement we get. In this, we don't have to use all the ratios. Whichever is important and required, that only we will use. In the given question, areas of both the triangles are given. What are they? Area of ABC is given 64. Area of DEF is given 121 by 121 centimeter square is equal to AB by DE. It is not given, which is not required also. But BC by EF, BC is to be calculated, EF is given. So we will take up this one. We will equate this. It is to equate to BC by EF whole square. We can equate all four are equal. Whichever is required, that only we will consider. So BC, we will write as it is BC by EF is given 15.4 whole square. Now from this we are required to find out BC value. Before that, let us represent this value in terms of squares. 64 can be written as 8 square. 121 can be written as 11 square is equal to BC by 15.4 whole squares. Then 8 by 11, this can be written as 8 by 11 whole square is equal to BC by 15.4 whole square. Square on both sides, they get cancelled. Otherwise, if this square comes to other side, it becomes square root, and this root square, this square and root get cancelled. So directly we can cancel both the squares on both sides. Now it is 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. We require only BC. So from here, leave BC aside. This goes to other side. 8 into 15.4 by 11. Okay. Here you can divide. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 4 left. 4 44. Point. 11 4s are 44. So it is 8 into 1.4. 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11. So it is 11.2 centimeters. That's the answer for question number 1. BC is equal to 11.2 centimeters. So this is how we use the statement. What is that statement? If two triangles are similar, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. This will be equal to all the ratios of squares of ratios of their corresponding sides. So this is question number 1. I hope you understood it. Moving to the question number 2. This is question number 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. There is a trapezium. I'll just draw it with pen only. A trapezium like this. ABCD. This is A, B, C and D. ABCD trapezium, where with AB parallel to DC is intersect each other, diagonals. AC and DB are the diagonals. They intersect each other at O. They intersect each other at O, intersecting point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, that means AB is just a minute. Okay, it is reverse. Let us take this as A, B, and this as C, and this as T. Because AB is twice of CD, that means AB should be greater. AB is twice of CD. Then find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. इन दोनों triangles के areas का ratio find करना है. So that means first of all we need to find out their areas and then we find out their ratio. Okay. So before that we need to see whether there is any similarity. Similarity होने के लिए chances है क्या यहाँ पे? Of course, there chances are there. How? DC and AB. If we consider DOC AOB triangle, we have one pair of opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Then angle D is equal to B here. Angle A is equal to C here. So by AAA criterion, both the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then we can write the statement that these two areas of these two triangles will be equal to squares of ratio of their corresponding sides. So let us consider, we'll write the answer like this. In triangle, here AB is equal to 2CD. This is given, and AB is parallel to CD. So consider triangles. Consider triangle AOB and triangle COD. In both the triangles, what are the angles we have? In both the triangles, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Then angle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. OCD. This is vertically opposite angles, and this is alternate. DC and AB are parallel. AC is transversal. These two are alternate interior angles. They both are alternate interior angles. Same. ODC is equal to OBA. They are also alternate interior angles. Now with this we can, by AAA criterion, both the triangles AOB and COD, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. When they both are similar, now we can write the statement of the two similar triangles. What is the statement? Area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. These are the two triangles. What will be their what is this ratio equal to? Areas of ratio is equal to squares of sides ratio. So what are the corresponding sides? यहाँ पर हमें दिया है AB and 2CD relation. So we can take AB and 2CD relation. AOB का AB by CD whole square, which is equal to AB is equal to 2CD. So in place of AB we can write it as 2CD by CD whole square is equal to, then CD cancel, 2 square is left, 2 by 1 whole square means 4 by 1, which is equal to 4:1. So we have got AOB ratio, area of AOB by COD, ratio of the, find the ratio of the areas of triangles. So we have found the ratio of areas of triangles AOB and COD, which is equal to 4:1. So what did we do in this question? We just proved both the triangles similar, and after proving that they are similar, we have written the statement, a similarity statement of related to areas, and the given condition substituted. That's how we got the answer 4:1. So this is question number 2 of exercise 6.4. Question number 3. In the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. When you look at this figure, which is given in textbook, immediately you may think that this is a trapezium. But there is no such thing mentioned here. What it is mentioned? ABC and DBC. These are the two triangles on the same base. That means this entire portion ABC, this portion is equal to DBC. These two triangles are on the same base BC. इस BC के ऊपर है दोनों. Okay, you need to view separately these two triangles. BC is the common base for both the triangles. So prove that if AD intersects BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC triangle का area और DBC triangle area, इन दोनों triangles के areas का जो ratio है AO by DO से equal होगा करके हमें proof करना है. So to prove this, we are going to take some construction, because it's not given that it is a trapezium. Okay, and there is no other similarity, no such thing is mentioned. So we need to create some similarity here. So for that, we are going to draw a perpendicular over. We'll draw two perpendiculars on the base BC. From the vertex point A, we'll draw a perpendicular over BC. So this is a perpendicular AP. We'll name it as P. And on BC from D also we'll draw a perpendicular. Here I'll draw like this. Maybe like this. This is M. Okay, these are the two perpendiculars. And here, so we are going to consider two triangles over here to show that they are similar. So what are the first two triangles? What we have done in this question? First, draw perpendiculars AP and DM on BC. BC के ऊपर हमने A perpendiculars draw कर दिया. So now we have got APO, a right angle triangle, DMO, right angle triangle. In these two triangles, before that, area of a triangle, what is the formula? Area of a triangle is half into base into height. This is the general formula. So according to this, let us write this formula for both the triangles. जो हमें find करने उन दोनों triangles के हम formula लिखेंगे. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. For these two triangles, I am going to write 1/2. For ABC triangle 1 by 2 into base is BC into height AP, perpendicular height, whole by again half into, for triangle DBC, half into base, here also base is same BC into height is DM, perpendicular height. Now if you carefully observe here, you have two same values, 1 by 2 cancel, BC cancel. Now what we have here, what is left there is AP by DM. So ratio of triangle ABC and DBC is equal to AP by DM. So let this be equation 1. This is equation 1. Now take the triangles APO triangle and DMO triangle. What are the similarities we have in these two triangles? One is vertical opposite angle. In triangle APO DMO, one is vertical opposite angle. What is the next one? Right angles. So we have two pairs of angles which are equal in both the triangles. So we can say that both the triangles are similar to one another. Consider triangles A, PO and triangle DMO. So we have, what do we have in these two triangles? Angle AOP is equal to angle DOM. So these are vertically opposite angles. Then we have angle APO, this part, and DMO. What are these two? What are these two angles? 90 degrees each. So therefore, by AA criterion, triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. These two triangles are equal, similar. If they are similar, so what we can write for these two triangles also? We can write the similarity condition. If they are similar, we can write the similarity condition that their sides will be in the corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. What are the corresponding sides? AO and DO. So we can write here AO and DO, one corresponding pair of sides, and AP and DM are another pair. So we can write, therefore AO by DO is equal to AP by DM. This is equation 2. This is the condition written based on the similarity of the triangles. Now compare equation 1 and 2. What do you find here? In equation 1 and 2, we have got something same, AP by DM. So here area of triangle ABC by DBC is equal to AP by DM. Here AO by DO is also equal to AP by DM. That means things which are common to same thing are equal to one another. So these are the things, area of ABC by area of DBC and AO by DO. These are the things common to, equal to the same thing, AP by DM. So they are also equal to one another. Therefore we will write this statement: from equation 1 and 2, area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO, hence proved. Hence it is proved. So that's about the question number 3. I hope you understood it, and these are the 3 questions for this day. Watch these 3 questions carefully, understand them, and then copy it into your notebook. That's it for today. We'll meet again tomorrow in tomorrow's class. Until then, goodbye and good day.